Greetings, all. Shardvixen. Oh, I didn't need to say that. That's just a continuation. So we did pink. It's actually pretty. And I'm getting ready to do some other colors, which I'm not going to show you me making them. I'm just going to show you the end results of them. I am thinking... Oh, there isn't... These don't keep the liquid in well, so I have to be careful of that, as you noticed there. Don't pay attention to that. That was a mistake. And that's what's I think is happening with my other ones over here too. So I'm gonna have to make sure I put them someplace flat so they don't make a mess. Thus we're gonna move them over here. So we have them handy bandy dandy. Well, we want them handy is what we want them. And that's fine. Like, I wanted them to sit for a while, so that's good. I'm really cold again still. Alright, so I'm gonna pause. Okay, so here's my green, and it turned out a little different than my other my other ones did. I have more liquid. I did use the same amount of soap. Hand sanitizer, so I'm not really sure why. But it made a good ink pad, so it's fine. I just don't know why I had more liquid, so it's kind of interesting to me. Alright, so there's that. There's the green. We can do a stencil, I guess. Do a green stencil. I made a little sponge for myself. And there it is. Oh, it's a fat pregnant one. Look at that. Because there's a lot of leakage. It's a lot of water. A lot of liquid. I'm not sure why, like I said, but remember, I could find a way to screw it up. I will. I will, I will, I will, I will. So, this needs to move. That's not going there. Oh, interesting. Stick that there. What you doing, boo boy? Alright, so we're going to use this one now. See how it works. Again, this too is wetter, but it's with the different... It's with these dyes and with these food colorings instead of the gel. So they tend to be more watery, I think. That's what it feels like. Anyway, see? Much more water in that. Much more water than I would have liked. I mean, you literally use like watercolor paint here at this point. Really is what it looks like. So, which is fine. I mean, it's not a problem. I think that's why. It's because that has more liquid than the gels have. I gotta move that before I make more of a mess. So I'm not sure, you know, how that's gonna work in the long run, but you know, it still works. Let's with these I do have to have a dauber, which I'll probably be making some out of these. I'll strip them. Make daubers. I did see a thing where you could take like tops, like plastic, like these, like on these, the little plastic tops that are on it. She stuck them in with sponges and then made daubers from that. So that's fine. I mean, it works. That's all I just need to know it's gonna work. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. It's just that the letters work. I'm good with the letters working. Like I said, I'm only checking because sometimes they peel off. Okay, so that one's done. Let's make another one. Another one, you say? Why shall we make another one? Well, because I want to. I want to make another one of these. I really like this star I made. I'll make some more of them. So we'll just do this. And you wouldn't have to cover them all, I guess. And then we'll stick this one on it. And voila. See, that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna have to, I think I'll put this on another foam piece so I can flip it. Okay, so that's orange. And here's purple. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, so the stamp works. And then we're going to do a stencil. So let's figure out where I put my other stencils. Oh, we'll just use the B one, I guess. To be or not to be. I'm going to put it this way. Let's do that one. Let's do purple combs. Okay. Well, that one's really... Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's hard to see with the plastic part. Moves on me. The original stencils these came with, they don't move. You kind of stick them on the paper and they don't move. I do like that. I mean, lesser is better. So there we go. Yep. So those are my colors. They all work. They're a little wet, but that's okay. Better paper, better stuff. Everything's better, better, better is better. All right. So that's it for it. I'll catch you all on the flip side. I'm out of here.